everyone, Heather here at BMW of Bridgewater. And did you know you could get your BMW service at a discounted price? This is called the BMW Value Service program. This is usually cheaper than your local repair shop. The advantages are getting factory trained technicians and also getting the original BMW parts. Follow along with me so I could show you how to check out the different prices for your vehicle.
First, you will go to www.bmwofbridgewater.com. You will find the service tab and go down to BMW Value Service. You will scroll down to model year, series. I have a 3 Series, and then my model is a 330i. View prices. Here are all the different services that you can get at a discounted price. Today, I want my brakes done. Here is a summary of the work performed in the service. We will click down to schedule service. You will either be a returning guest or a new guest. So I will put in that I have a 2017 330i. We're gonna say that I have 50,000 miles. Here are all the individual prices. I will scroll down to customer states braking concern, scroll down to confirm. You will then choose an advisor. So I'm gonna click on any advisor and I will wait for my vehicle. Here are all the different days and times that you can choose from. So I will schedule for 8 a.m. on March 1st. Notes, I don't have any. Scroll down. Here is a request for your appointment. You will then place in your information here and then click on that I have read and agreed to the terms of service. And you will then hit submit.
Wow, wasn't that easy? Not all vehicles qualify, so why don't you check out our website for details? I just wanted to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and to check out our latest specials and inventory.